this.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. So tonight we want to do a challenge. What's the name of the challenge? Who knows who better?
Yes, so I have some questions here that I'm going to ask her about myself, and likewise, she has some questions she's going to ask me about herself.
So who will go first?
And
I will go first. Okay, the challenge tonight is who knows who better, and what are the penalties, babes?
the penalty, my friends, is we have water. So, I tell her, I said, I'm going to too hot tonight, you know, put her face, because
You don't want the water gets rid.
if she lose, I collect some water and I'll just throw it in her face, people.
Oh, yeah, sir.
Yeah, and
No,
likewise, she'll be the same with me. So I have 10 questions.
And I have 10 questions. So,
Alright. So,
ladies before gentlemen.
ladies first. 5 questions go.
Okay. What is my favorite color?
Oh, that one is easy. From a meeting till now, you know, you've been talking about that color. I was
What
like,
is it?
really? Really? So, guys, the color is black. You can swear upon that black is our favorite
Alright.
color. Thank you. I got a question.
What?
Alright, so my first question is, what is my middle name?
That's easy. Like, seriously?
Wait a minute.
Donovan? Like, seriously?
Alright guys, so the first
I
two
have to
questions.
know my man's name. Like,
Alright,
seriously?
so the first 2 questions are easy, people. No water. Water coming up. Water come. Alright, 1.
Okay, so next question is, how many sisters do I have? 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 You don't remember?
One sister you have.
Yeah, ask me and tell me which one.
One sister you have.
Okay, alright.
Alright. No water, people. Alright guys, I'm going to throw some water on her, so look for the hard question.
Why you have to keep the
Hold on, no, man.
confused like further?
No, I'm not confused. Jesus Christ.
I don't want to know water. Like, seriously, just ask me a question now.
What is the maximum amount of time I ever climbed Greater Hill in one day? I tell you, I already go back enough time.
Me know.
Alright.
Like, seriously, 6 times. And you wanted to go 7, but you couldn't manage 6 times. Like, seriously? Come on, come better than that. Come better than that. You want to catch me? Come better than that, okay?
Ask me one question.
Alright, it's your turn. How long now I have been doing here professionally?
Alright guys, so she will be answer that. Because we've been talking about it weirdly, you know, every now and then, and you know how long she's been doing it and how good she at it. So even sometimes when I'm talking to my friends, I will tell them that, you know, my fiance has been doing it here for this number of years. So that is one I know I will get right. 30 minutes.
Okay, awesome.
Thank you. I'm going to ask you one question about speak with the human destiny people. How many years have I been working at my current job?
Wait there. Are there easy question area answer? 18 years. 18 years. 18 years. Foundation. You can't put me up to that. You can't put me up to that.
Alright, next question for me.
Alright, the next question is, what is my favorite game to play?
Romantic people.
I play this game like
I know the game now. I know the game. On our phone, I can touch it up on our phone and play the game there. We're coming in with the name, the right name.
I didn't hear my name.
Alright, let me tell you the name.
I need to pick up this cup because if you can't tell me the name, I'll have problem tonight.
At the game where if you go online, you can go online and kill them.
10, after 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What name again? What name?
Coin Master.
Alright, my time now. What is my shoe size?
Like seriously?
What is my shoe size?
10 and some 9.5 with you. Just like me. Can you wear my shoes? You wear my slippers. Alright, my time to ask the question. What is my favorite TLC product? I drink this product every day. What is it?
Alright, people really want to drink some of it since week, so I know it. Alright, I was sure drink this thing and I said, yeah, let me tell you some that drink some of it. So you know it. It is Neutral Glass, guys. Check it out.
Neutral?
Neutral Glass.
No. The bad partner pronounce right.
Nutraburst.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Not Neutral Blast.
Alright, yeah. Yeah,
okay.
we get that. Yeah, we get
You should get the water for that.
Sure. Alright, guys. Let me take Shel. If I was an animal, what animal would I be?
Yeah, they say you want to be a lion, like seriously?
No, I'm a lion.
A lion!
I'm a lion.
Unless you want to be an eagle so you can fly high and touch the sky.
People are kind of fear though.
Correct, right? Oh God! You want to ask me another one?
No, you time to ask me now. Go on, ask me what you ask me.
Alright. What is my nickname? Growing up, they called me this name. Anybody call me this name, I can know that we go to school together or we're from the same community. What is my nickname?
No, it's not baby. No, brain.
Let me go drop it cup again.
You know the name, babes.
You know it. So tell me now.
T. We call it T. Shoot. You know the name?
But you know it. Tell me now. Or you get some water. Which one do you prefer?
Yeah. Twee. A twee? I'm a twee.
Spell it if you don't know the
Twee.
word.
A twee. A twee.
Spell it.
T-E. Twee.
T what?
Twee. Twee. Twee.
T-E-E?
Twee.
Well, it's two E. It's T-E-E.
Yes, I'm gonna get it. Twee. Yeah. Alright. Mm-hmm. What is my favorite ice cream? You don't know my favorite ice cream, you remember it? So you gotta get that one wrong. You gotta get it wrong. You gotta get it wrong.
Guys, anyone who go buy ice cream ever answer that? Anywhere.
Where be?
Roma reason. I tell us we're not getting out of tonight. No, not getting no out of tonight.
Alright.
At my time,
Yeah.
how old I was when I had my daughter.
So you're talking about hard stuff.
That is not hard, it's simple maths. You know my age now, I know how old Tia be. Like seriously?
No, yeah, make man sit back camera and try to calculate with them.
You know my age now and you know Tia age. That's simple maths, guys. Like, seriously?
I'll tell you. 21? 21?
Yeah.
Alright guys, I have a question for her. What was my father's name?
Like, seriously?
Yes! I just want to show for you.
I don't remember.
10, 9,
Tell me that
Eight.
I don't remember.
yeah, you see?
Tell me that again, you don't get a chance to
Seven.
wake me up anyway.
Let me come get your first. 7, 6, 5.
Baby, left for the
No.
cup, sir.
I know my fault.
Me never for
I
the
want
cup,
time to get
sir.
through it. Yeah,
Seriously?
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't move now. This thing around here, people.
I don't want to talk
Yo,
about
don't move. What?
You're double, you're
Alright, you're here now with them. You're here now with them. Let's fix your face.
Not my face.
No!
Me never throw it on your face.
But we don't have to try buying some babes.
Me never throw it.
Hold up here. Hold up here.
Let's throw it on me.
Well,
Me
okay,
never
man.
throw it on your face. You see your bad read is alright. Move!
You have more questions?
Why name?
Roland Shaw. Yeah, Roland
You
Shaw.
should have said Shel.
I just didn't get it right. Did I get it wrong? See you Roland Shaw. We have more questions?
When is my birthday?
Jesus Christ, really? Why you laugh? Not easy.
When is my birthday? Or when? What?
January 20. January 20th, guys. Oh, if you don't know your my birthday, sure. How much question we done, babes?
I finished with 10, so we can ask 5 from our head.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, wait till I give me now.
2. Well, 2.
Yeah, so if you ask you one question about me, hey, she sent me dash on glass or a while ago, the glass of water. Alright.
No, but you must ask me back one now.
Yeah, I ask the one right now. Nobody answers it on silence. Get it out. How old is Shreps? Guys, Shreps is the name of our dog.
Shreps is 10 months old.
Yeah, is that correct?
Shreps born 2 months after Drake born.
Okay. Alright, guys. Give her the one. That doesn't mean nobody know the answer there.
Move her answer.
Lord!
Alright. Which
Actually,
two oils do I use in my ear and my daughter's ear? Two main oils.
Your hairdresser?
Like,
People are going to
seriously?
say, no, there's some food
Babe,
that.
two-
Oh!
Watch out!
Guys. Castor oil and coconut oil. I can't show them. See that, people?
The gateway tonight.
Castor oil and coconut oil. Two amazing oils for your natural hair.
Okay, let's ask me one more. I'm sure that I want the answer.
I ask you one easy one. I'm sorry for the water a while ago. What is my favorite snack in the home? On the easy babes.
You can't out the peanut butter and bread. Like, seriously?
Yes, people, that's nice and Dre love it too. You know? Dre love it. So, this is our first Q&A. Talk with Google.
Yes. It was quite a fun time.
Yes, guys. So we're gonna be having more Q&As.
No more water though. Like,
No, we have to have something like that as
Like-
penalty babes. We can't just sit down on the Q&A. So we.
we pay the other person like some money.
Alright, but my money here, my money, so I say difference. Do something else. Like you carry your favorite food compensate, and I carry my favorite food compensate.
Alright, we're gonna figure it out, but no more water.
Like my ducker still, and I put it in a slow motion so I can see it. I'm a ducker. No. Thanks for listening again.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thank you.
Peace out.